Another DIY tip about replacing the heat check valves in a water heater. The old heat valves were leaking, and they'd been in there a while and corroding, and I have to do some other maintenance behind the water heater. So I pulled out the water heater, and to get out these little heat check nipples, this one's loose as you can see. But one of the biggest difficulties in getting those out is how to hold the water heater still to keep it from rotating while you're cranking all kinds of leverage with the pipe wrench on them. And I figured I'd show this little setup. All it is, 2x4, spans across, and then there's a big huge trucking tie-down ratchet strap. And the tie-down ratchet strap loops around the water heater like so, and then just ratchets right there, and this gives you all kinds of leverage. You can stand in here, right here, with your thigh against this and reach up and crank, and then one individual can apply all kinds of leverage to those heat check nipples. Check out the places on YouTube, because some of those heat check nipples, if you crank on them tight enough, they'll collapse. And it's usually a good idea to go to the hardware store and get a bolt that's the same size diameter as the inside of the pipe. Drop that bolt down on there so that when you apply your big pipe wrench to it, you don't crush the nipple as you're pulling it out. Because once you crush that nipple, trying to get it out after that's, well, you've got to go to more advanced techniques, so you don't want to crush that. But anywho, I figured I'd show the little strap and 2x4 trick so that one man can tackle the hot water heater and remove those heat check nipples. Bye.